Okay, in this example, we're going to find the slope of the line that passes through the points 3, 6 and -1, 2. So recall that the formula to find the slope of a line, the slope, which is often abbreviated with the letter m, if you go through the points, let's call them little x1 and y1 and x2 and little y2. We just do the change in y, which means we subtract the y coordinates that goes in the numerator, and then in the denominator we subtract the x coordinates. So one thing that's important is notice we do y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. You could also do y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2, just as long as you do the same order. So I'm using, the second y coordinate minus the first y coordinate, second x coordinate minus the first x coordinate, or likewise you can use the first y coordinate minus the second y coordinate over the first x coordinate minus the second x coordinate. Okay, so we've got this point 3, 6, and we've got -1, 2. So I'm going to label this one as x1, y1, and I'm going to label this one as x2, y2. So if we use the formula, I'm going to use my y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 formula here. Okay, y2 is the number 2 minus y1. Well, y1 is equal to 6. x2, let's see, x2 is -1 minus x1, which is going to be 3. So I'm just subtracting y coordinates. Y minus y, x minus x is all I'm doing. Well, 2 minus 6, that's going to be -4. -1 minus -3, hey, that's also -4. And a negative divided by a negative is a positive. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. So it turns out that the slope of that line is just equal to 1. And of course it doesn't have to reduce to a nice whole number. It could be a fraction. That's certainly possible, but in this case I just kind of picked some points at random, and that's what we got.